Shivoham, Ashok Chotwani, Mutkula Anand, Girishama, Samita, Dattatray, Sagairaj, Karthik, Girish, Veena, Rajendra, Siva, and the rest of you whom I cannot see. Many of you are joining the call, but I don't see you. I am just showing you a view of a waterfall called Godafoss. Can you all see the waterfall before we start the question answers? Are you able to see the waterfall? Anybody?
Yes, we can see.
So this is the amazing part of Iceland. From nowhere, the waterfall comes, just from nowhere. As you're driving, you see a huge waterfall. This is, I mean, really huge. And the water is flowing down. And there are hundreds of these waterfalls in Iceland, not one or two. There are hundreds. But well, it's time to ask care. And so I have to stop this display of Iceland. And though I am here, I have to move to my frame. And hopefully I will be able to keep the waterfall in the background and ask you the first question. The first question today is this: how to be free from the mind? Anybody wants to attempt this question? How do we be free from the mind?
Shivam, sir.
Shivoham, Ashok.
Hello, sir. Mind is monkey. We have to cut the tail of monkey and become monk, and also realize that we are not mind. We are divine soul, sir.
So how do you actually practically, how do you become free from the mind?
Yes.
Practically.
Sir. Shivam.
Yes, Shivoham.
When we do pranayama, in the silent our breathing, our mind thoughts get reduced. And
So, Dattatray,
yeah.
you do pranayama and you will be free from the mind, or the moment pranayama is over, the mind comes back like a monkey?
No. It's only thoughts will get reduced and we feel silence. Yes.
And the moment you are finishing your pranayama, immediately you have to again face the monkey mind. So Ashok Chotwani, how do you go and cut the tail of the monkey mind? You know how you have the scissor? Tell me, what is the scissor you use to cut the tail of the monkey mind? Ashok Chotwani.
Yes, sir. When the thoughts come in our mind, we have cut as a sword cut the. We have to don't entertain that thoughts, sir.
No, you are
We
saying.
have to translate the thoughts.
Okay, you said you are going to cut the tail of the monkey mind. Correct. I appreciate the answer. It's my own answer I give. But how do you cut? What scissor you use to cut the tail?
Sir, can I?
Intellect, sir. Intellect.
Okay, Ashok Chotwani, one is intellect, one blade. In the scissor there are two blades. In the scissor there are two blades. What are the two blades you use? What are the two blades you use to cut the tail of the monkey mind?
Always be in concept and then use intellect.
No, one is correct, using the intellect. And second?
We turn on yoga. We turn on yoga.
Come back to yoga. Bridget is saying, come back to yoga. Okay.
Sir,
yes, Karthik.
I think we have to realize the soul, and we are the soul. We are not mind and.
No,
body.
you all know the answer. Why are you struggling to give me the answer? You all know the answer. What is to cut the tail of the monkey mind?
Shivam Sarji.
Yes, Nina. Shivam.
To cut the tail of the monkey mind, live in consciousness and know and to realize that the life is a drama. Yes, सब लीला है.
Yeah, these are okay, but we are right now talking of the scissor. Scissor means actually we have to cut like this. Kadak, 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 we have to cut. How are you going to cut?
Sir, we can remove the source of the thoughts itself. If I contemplate that, why do I get thoughts? So some of the thoughts at least can be coming because of the desires that I have. Either they get fulfilled and my desire changes, or they don't get fulfilled and I get annoyed. So if I remove the desires itself, Surendraji wrote that same thing in a different, he wrote the word Vairagya. So that's the same thing. So if we can cultivate the dispassionate, I think that will be one way to reduce the thoughts and overcome the mind.
So I'm not, my mind is right now being like a monkey and it's jumping upside down. So I don't know. You all can see me, right?
You are ulta
Reverse
hai.
it, sir. Reverse it. No, it's fine.
Now it's okay.
Now it's okay. Am I okay,
Yes, sir.
Sudeep?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are
Yes,
okay
you're
now.
okay now.
So I want to give you all, you know something, it's very sad that all of you have got the intellect. You all have got the intellect, but the monkey mind is not letting you give the answer. The monkey mind is not letting you give the answer. What is the question? How to be, what is the question, Ashok Chotwani? How to be
To be free from
free
mind.
from the mind, correct? How to be free from the mind? One, you use the intellect. But more important, the second blade is silence. Silence, 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 silence. Why we are not telling the word silence? Is silence important or silence is not important? Kumar Swami, is silence important to tame the mind or not?
Also important.
Without silence, how can you be free from the mind? Sudip Bhargava, Ashok Chotwani, how come you are missing the point about silence?
I think Chotwani sir had said the same thing, if I'm not mistaken.
He didn't say silence.
I think he said so. I don't
Ashok,
know. Maybe
you
I'm mistaken.
Ashok told intellect and something else. Ashok, what did you say?
Okay, maybe I'm mistaken. Okay, okay.
Ashok
Shiva,
Chotwani, what did you say, Ashok? Yes, Girish.
by realizing that I am not the mind and I refuse to be acted through the tendencies of my mind, which are
But Girish, you are right. But this comes later. How do you realize that? How do you tell the mind I am not the mind? What is the preliminary method?
Niti, niti, twastan asi.
All this is later, Bridget. All that is good. But if you want to be free from the mind, the first
Yeah.
silence, the first step. And the second step, when you are trying to be silent and the mind is coming out with thoughts, you use intellect to cut the thought. Ashok Chotwani, what did you say? Ashok Chotwani, you gave two answers. You told intellect and something else you told. I can't hear you, Ashok.
Yeah, sir. We also realize that we are not mind.
Is that what you told in the beginning? You told two answers
Yeah.
you gave. You told first
Yeah,
of
yeah.
all that use intellect
Undertake.
answer.
Yeah,
And second point you told don't we realize not we are not the mind.
yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, my friends, let us go on to question answers because I don't want to miss the opportunity of giving you the answers to all questions. So over to you, question answers, please. Administrator, do we have any questions?
Dattatreya.
Dattatreya,
Yes.
yes, Dattatreya, question to you, sir.
Okay, sir. I have read in Yogi's book, solitude is the price of God realization. Solitude.
Solitude is the price to God realization.
Yeah.
So is it correct?
I think it is not complete or something should be added.
Very good.
About God.
Very good. Good, Dattatreya. So Dattatreya, what will solitude do, Dattatreya? What will solitude do?
Solitude, Nidhi Dhyasan, Manan, I can do.
Solitude will calm the mind.
Yeah.
Solitude will make you quiet. It will make you silent. It will make the Indriya quiet.
Yeah.
But will it take you to God realization?
No. Understanding
No.
important.
So how do you go to God realization, Dattatreya? You need to do Sravana, Manana, Nidhi, Dhyasana. Correct?
Yeah.
You need to ask, investigate, realize the truth.
Yes.
If you don't ask and investigate, you will not realize the truth. So tell me, Dattatreya, what is the way? What is the way to God realization, Dattatreya? What is the step before God realization?
First, self realization.
Correct, absolutely correct. You can give a lecture in United Nations. You are ready to give lecture in United Nations. So the point is, first there must be self-realization.
Yeah.
After there is self-realization, there will be God realization. And for self-realization, Bridget gave the answer. For self-realization, what do we need, Bridget? For self-realization, we need neti tattvamasi.
Tattvamasi.
Correct?
Yeah.
So Dattatreya, see, the problem is many of you, you read some scripture, you read some Guru Granth, you read some big, very big book, and then you get confused. No, after that you get confused. You are starting to wonder, now what air is telling, how to match it. So I want you to match it with your own intellect. You have to match it.
Yes. Sure.
Thank
One
you.
more.
Next question.
One more
Yes,
question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Enlightenment will happen to me, not to Dattatreya. And I want to say
Enlightenment will happen to me, not to
Dattatreya.
correct.
And I want to say I will be enlightened, not my BME, body, mind, or ego. Yes.
But just now you told enlightenment will happen to me. Enlightenment will happen to me means mind and ego.
No. I think me is a soul.
Not that me, na. Enlightenment will happen
to soul.
Me, the Atma. Me, the Atma in Dattatreya.
I am supposing I am a Atma.
Correct.
That's why I am saying.
Okay, good. So enlightenment will not happen to Dattatreya because Dattatreya is just a name.
Correct.
Dattatreya will die. One day Dattatreya will die.
Right.
But you who are alive in Dattatreya, you will not die.
Correct.
You are going to be immortal because you are birthless and you are deathless.
Very good.
Because you are the immortal soul. But Dattatreya, as long as you don't realize that you are that, as long as you don't realize you are that, how will you get enlightenment? The moment you realize I am not Dattatreya.
Yeah.
If somebody comes and tells you, hello, Mr. Dattatreya, you should say, I am not Mr. Dattatreya, but how can I help you? Because you have to consciously remind yourself you are not Dattatreya. You are not Dattatreya.
Okay.
Then only enlightenment will happen, because enlightenment will happen when you are liberated from the body and you are liberated from the mind and ego.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will carry on doing karma and you will be born again and again and again. All right, Dattatreya?
Yes.
So
Very nice.
Enlightenment is not for Dattatreya. Dattatreya is just a costume you are wearing.
Right.
Just like Gabbar Singh will not get the prize. Gabbar Singh will not get the Bollywood award. Amjad Khan will get. Amjad Khan was acting like Gabbar Singh. You have seen the movie, no? Sholay.
Yes, Sholay.
Okay. Clear? You're clear, right?
Yes.
When the moment we realize, जब हमें एहसास होता है, when we realize I am not Dattatreya, I am not this body, I am not this fellow who's a face who I'm seeing in a mirror, I am the Atma, then enlightenment. One more thing, Dattatreya. Enlightenment will happen. No, enlightenment happens.
I see.
Enlightenment,
Okay.
you don't say enlightenment will happen. No.
Okay.
When enlightenment happens, then all talking comes to an end. There is silence. There is consciousness. There is Sat Chit Anand.
I see.
Okay, next question, please. Thank you.
Sure.
Sure.
And we have a question from Shiva Shankar.
Yes.
He says, is it appropriate to declare oneself as God realized person to public?
What will happen by declaring Shiva Shankar? You are Shiva also and you are Shankar also. You are both. You are Shiva Shankar. Shiva Shankar Bhole Nath Mahadev Ki Jai. You are already Shiva Shankar. By declaring to the world that you are God realized, tell me, how will it benefit? Is there any benefit to declare to the world? God realization is a gift from the divine, Shiva Shankar. We do not need to publicize. We do not need to make, it is not a qualification. It is not a designation. It is not a Nobel Prize. God realization is the biggest gift in this world. Nobody in this world can get a bigger achievement than God realization. And when there is God realization, you don't have to boast about it to others, because God realization means everybody is God. Means you see God everywhere in everything. Then where is the question of God telling to God that I am God realized? No need of God informing other gods, because all are God. The moment you are God realized, everybody is God. You need to reach that level. Then these questions all these questions will disappear. When I used to ask my guru used to say, you're asking too many questions. But I used to ask questions because I wanted to realize the truth. And one day he told me, now you have no more questions. All your questions are answered. We reached that level where all questions are answered. But till we reach that level, we have to keep on asking, keep on asking, keep on asking, keep on asking. We have to ask more and more and more questions. So thank you, Shiva Shankar. Next question, Administrator.
We have a question from Jyotri.
Yes.
Sir, I am in consciousness after performing an act. How to be in consciousness before performing an act?
Consciousness is not about before and after performing an act. Consciousness is while performing an act. You don't have to have consciousness before the act or after the act. You have consciousness all the time. Consciousness is before the act, during the act, after the act. The beauty of consciousness is it is a state. And when you are in that state of consciousness, then you are nothing. This act itself doesn't matter. It's all a leela. So, Jyotri, being in that state of consciousness is being in a state of awareness. You become in that chit. It's called chit. You become in that state of chit. Sat chit. Sat chit means you become in the consciousness of the truth. So, Jyotri, what is the truth? What is the truth? The truth is that all this is a leela. All this is a natak. All this is a drama. You see all this happening? You see this waterfall behind me? This is all part of the show, the divine show. You cannot believe. If you look at this, you cannot believe. But consciousness is being able to witness everything as part of the drama. Things will happen, people will come, people will go, good things happen, bad things happen. When you're in consciousness, you're in a state of ananda. You're in a state of joy. I hope the voice is, Sudeep, the voice quality is okay? I'm in front of a waterfall. Voice is okay? Okay, thank you. So first priority for live questions. Those who are live on the screen, anybody has a question?
Sir, can I?
Yes, please. Yes, Karthik.
Sir, how the life means, how you realize it, sir, about this life that I am Atma, self-realization. How this happens to any person, like
You
you,
re-
how you
I
know, so you have gone through your Guruji, like about how you about
anybody
realization.
anybody can realize if you follow the steps to realization. The
Means
first step is you must go in a talash. I don't remember by heart. Hitkari ji gave us 10 steps. Who remembers the 10 steps? There were 10 steps we told. The first step is you must go in a talash. The second step, you must find out neti. I am not the body and mind. Now I'm asking you a question, Karthik. You don't know you are not this body? You don't know, or should I explain to you, or you know?
no, sir. I know, sir, that
How do you
I'm
know?
not this body.
No. How do you
Means
know? Tell
I
me.
know,
No. Explain to me
sir.
why you are not this body. Explain to me.
Sir, because I know that I am the divine soul. I have wear this body. I know because this kind of stuff makes us believe that okay, we are the souls. And one more
How
thing
do
is
you
I went
know?
to Raja Yoga.
No. How do you know you are not the body? I'm asking question. How do you know you are not the body? Who can answer the question for Karthik? And then I'll come back to Karthik. Who can explain to Karthik? Kumar Swami. How do you know
Yes,
we
sir.
are not the body? Kumar Swami.
At the time of death, we will cremate the body.
Very
We will
good.
live, body will be here. That means we are not the
Very good.
Mhm.
So one point is Kumar Swami at the time of death. One more point, Kumar Swami.
at the time of birth. When you are in the
Excellent.
zygote, when you are in the zygote, there was no formation of the body. You were there present.
Thank you,
That is
Kumar.
the indication.
So as I told you, all of you are getting masters in spirituality. You all have become, you're all gaining the post-graduation. So Karthik, you must, like how Kumar Swami is able to say clearly, Karthik, you
Sir,
must
how
be
he knows, sir?
No, you
Sir,
must be very
how-
clear. You have to give the answer. You have to be very clear. Zygote was born first, body came later on. Point one. Point two, when I die, they will burn the body. I am not the body. I leave the body. When I'm sleeping and I wake up, they don't burn the body. Why they don't burn the body? Because
because
I'm
I live in
alive.
the body.
I'm alive. When I
The
die,
spirit
means
is
what
alive in
happens?
this body.
When I die means what happens when I die, Karthik? I leave
You
the
live.
body.
Yes.
So are you clear you are not the body?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you are there. You are somebody. You are not body. But you are the one who leaves the body.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? You are the one who leaves the body.
Yes, sir.
The zygote was formed and then the body was formed. But you are the zygote. You are formed. You were created as a zygote 9 months before your birthday. So what are you? Who are you?
I am the soul.
You are just saying it. Now the problem is you are saying it. This is called knowledge. Now knowledge is not realization. It's like water in the fridge. Is water in the fridge is ice or what? If you put water in the fridge, is it ice?
Yes.
No, it's not ice. It's only water.
After some time, it becomes ice and sea.
Correct. After some time, when the temperature goes to -0 degrees, it will freeze and it will become ice. Correct.
Yes.
So also your knowledge has to become realization. How? When you are when you contemplate on Sravana, Manana, Nididhyasana, when you keep on contemplating, I am not the body, I am not the body, I am not the body. When you contemplate, tell me where is the mind? Karthik, tell me where is the mind?
Nice.
Have you seen the mind?
No, sir.
Have you seen the brain?
But no, sir. Means I can. Means,
Have you seen the photograph of the brain? In the
yes,
science book,
yes, sir.
have you seen?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
seen photograph of the heart?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the photograph of the mind?
Yes, sir.
Where? Show me how it looks. Tell me how the mind looks.
Okay, I'm sorry. I thought it's brain. But
No, mind is not brain. Brain is
Okay.
hardware. Brain is software. So, Karthik, when you keep this concentration in front of your eyes, I am not the body. I am not the mind. Who am I? I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the body. I am not the mind. then it will come. Then the aha, yay, I got it. Then it will come. That realization must come. Till now, the realization is not coming. If the realization comes, you know what will happen? You will leave everything and you will go. You will leave all the samsara. You will say, the samsara is rubbish. Samsara is rotten. Nothing. Samsara is
It's
useless.
a drama.
Yeah. But why we are not leaving the samsara? Tell me why we are not leaving the samsara?
Because there are some responsibilities.
No, because we don't realize the truth. The moment we realize, I also have responsibilities. Why? I left all my responsibilities. Why?
Because your ultimate goal is to liberate from death and unite with God. You have some goal like this.
I have left my ordinary responsibilities to do the most important responsibilities. I have left. Lot of us are caught with ordinary responsibilities. What was ordinary responsibility? So one lady told me, I have got responsibility of cooking paratha. I have to cook paratha. What is cooking paratha? Another lady told me I have to clean the kitchen. Another man told me I have to feed my parents. So we are all caught in ordinary, mundane things in life. Mundane, ordinary things. Why we are caught? We are caught because of anybody? Why we are caught? Anybody? Why we are caught?
Maya, I think.
Huh?
Maya.
One step before
Ignorance,
Maya.
sir.
Ignorance. Correct. Good answer. We are caught because of avidya. Because
Sir,
of
awareness also comes in. Awareness, ignorance.
Because of avidya, Maya appears. Where does Maya come from? Because of avidya. If there is no avidya, then there is no Maya. If there is no Maya, then there is no mithya. So we have to overcome avidya. It is because of avidya everything Maya looks real. Huh? My mother. Who's telling my mother? Ignorance. Nobody is my mother. Everybody is
For
God.
this, sir, for this Janma, she is our mother, no, sir. For this life.
Again, that is ignorance, no? My mother means what? She also is the Atma. She was holding you for 9 months. But she is also Atma. The moment you say my mother, what happens? Anybody? The moment you say my mother, my son, my daughter, what happens?
So that blood relationship stops us from realizing self-realization.
Attachment.
Attachment. Good answer. Attachment. You're saying you must say loudly like that, Rajendra. You must say loudly, not like
attachment.
Attachment is the right answer. So,
sir, that blood relation stops us from self-realization.
What stops us?
That blood relation
there
stops
is
us
no
from.
blood relation, man. What blood relation you are talking about? This is Maya. This is Mithya. Blood relationship. What is the meaning of blood relationship? Tell me. Your blood and my blood also is related. You know that. I am your blood relative. You know that. How I am your blood relative? Tell me. Tell me how
because I came from my mother womb, no, sir. So that's why I'm saying that there is some blood relationship.
Are you my blood relative?
Relationship between.
Are you my blood relative or no?
Sorry.
Blood relative or no?
No, sir. Sir, I'm not saying it, sir. I'm not saying anything, but I'm saying politely only.
You don't need to be polite to me. So listen to me. Your great-grandfather's 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 great-grandfather was brother of my great-grandfather's 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 great-grandfather. True or false?
We don't know, no, sir. We don't know that.
Ultimately going back and back and back and back and back, we came from one source or no?
Sound is not clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, can you hear me now? So
yes.
Sound is clear. Sound not clear?
It's okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me try to move to a better place. So I
Now
was
it's okay.
okay. So my dear Karthik, ultimately, blood relationship is only Leela. It is Maya. Now this is not Avidya. This is Maya. Because we are thinking that we are blood relatives. In reality, what is the meaning of blood relatives? One brother is killing another brother. You're talking of blood relative. How many times you have seen one brother killing another brother? What is the meaning of blood relative? This is samsara. We have to get out of samsara. Okay, next question, please.
Thank you, sir. Shivoham.
Thank you. Any more questions, Administrator?
Yes, sir. I have a social media question from Pratna. Why should God be worshipped? Isn't it enough to believe in the existence of God?
God must not only be worshipped. You must believe in God. You must worship God. You must love God. You must seek God. You must realize God. When will you realize that you are nothing? God is everything. When will you realize the truth, my dear friends? The problem is the ego. Have you heard that song? सांसों की माला में सिमरूं मैं पी का नाम खुद को छोड़ा तो मुझको मिल गया भगवान सांसों की माला में सिमरूं मैं शिव का नाम. You must
Awesome lyrics.
Huh?
Awesome lyrics, sir.
So in this one, it says, if you listen to the song carefully, he says, प्रभु और मुझ में फर्क नहीं है, हम तो प्रभु ही है. अहंकार को जो छोड़ा, उसको मिल गया भगवान. Huh? So the problem is the ego. What is the ego doing? The ego separates me from Kumar Swami. I think Sudeep is that fellow and Air is this fellow. No. The moment we realize we are all manifestations of one divine, we have attained God realization. And how can you attain God realization if you don't believe in God? How can you attain God realization if you don't love God? How can you attain God realization if you don't seek God? My dear friends, it is only when you are seeking God or seeking happiness or seeking purpose that you will go in talash, that you will go in quest, and you will realize Tattvam Asi. You have to realize the first step is to realize self-realization. And the next step is to realize God realization. So therefore, it is not possible, my dear friends, if you don't believe in God. Who made, I'm asking you, I showed you that waterfall, right? Who made this? Who made this beautiful waterfall? Now it is far away in the distance. Who made this? Who created this waterfall? Who created the mountains? Who created the snow? Who created all this landscape? You know, man is incapable of creating this. These flowers, these are autumn flowers. I don't know if you can see, they are red color flowers. Red and yellow and orange, because they are autumn. Very soon these flowers will go and it will be snow. Who is creating these orange colored autumn flowers? This is created by the divine. Actually, everything is a manifestation. You see, everything in this world is a manifestation. So with that note, it's interesting, my dear friends, if you want to attain masters in spirituality, which means you want to get enlightenment, if you want to realize God, if you want to attain mukti, moksha, nirvana, this journey is not a journey that you can walk and you can stop. You have to ask, you have to investigate, you have to realize the truth. Some of you are shy to talk in the session. Many of you are coming for the session and you're keeping quiet. No talking. Why? you are feeling embarrassed. What if your question is not is a silly question? No question is a silly question. Every question has got relevance. Don't feel bad to ask a question. I used to ask my guru 100 foolish questions. I used to ask my guru, because the problem is when you don't ask and don't investigate, you will not realize the truth. Today, Karthik asked some questions. I hope it will go into his head before he is dead. Right? Because you can't make it go into your head after you are dead. The time is now. And with that note, I think I have crossed my time limit. And if there is no other question, I will take your permission. Today I took a chance of giving you an outdoor look of Iceland, because I said if I've come here, I wanted to show you one glimpse. This is called Godafoss. This waterfall you can Google. It's called Godafoss, G-O-D. Why should we believe in God was the last question. The name of this waterfall is called Godafoss, Godafoss. So with that note, I thought I will show you all a glimpse of this waterfall. I know sometimes the signal may not be good, or there may be some shaking in the camera, but in life, to get something, we have to lose something. I thank you for your understanding, and with folded hands, I bow down to you. Shivoham, Shivoham.